And these are some of the situations I've used them in. If I can imagine that moment, run that movie of everything that's going to happen, when I get in that moment, somehow I don't jump. It's almost like when you watch a horror movie, but for the second time. Have you ever done that? You put a horror movie in, press play, you start watching this thing. When you get to the really scary bit, you jump, don't you? You know, because it's designed to make you do that. But if you put the same DVD in again on a second occasion, and you press play and you start watching it, when you get to the scary bit, you don't jump, because you know it's coming. You're already mentally, physically, and emotionally prepared for that moment. So the time this worked best for me, without a doubt, was about 2 years ago. I went to see the CEO of HSBC Bank and his 12 direct reports. I was pitching a project. I needed £1 million to go to the South Pole. I've never been so nervous before in my life. I've never pitched for that kind of money, you know. But I knew the room we were meeting in. That's always a help, because then I can visualize the movie in even more detail. And I ran through everything he might say to me and everything I had to say back to him. And each time I always saw myself answering his question brilliantly. And it was even like my body language. I saw every bit of it. And then when I got in there, it was like I could just press play.